Hey guys, today is March 3rd, 2026. I'm going to be doing my trade recap for the day, and as well as going over the trade I took, and as well as my bias and my thoughts on the day. So, getting into it, I was pretty bullish off open, and I'll explain to you why. So, we dumped, overnight session completely dumped all the way down, taking out this external range low here. If you took this sell side low, I was thinking, okay, there's really no reason for price to go any more lower. We have a ton of buy side liquidity higher. If you can see of all these marked buy side liquidities I've marked out here, we have this my buy side, we have these equal highs, two equal highs, London highs at equal high. We have these unmitigated 4 hours, 15 minutes, hourlies. We have Asia high, we have previous day high. So we have stacked previous day, we have stacked Asia and stacked London as well as equal highs. So I was really wanting to see price move higher. And we had this 15-minute here, which was my condition, and this hourly, which also would have been my condition for a 10 o'clock close. Price respects both of these, and that ends up going lower to take our London low. Now, I was open to this. I was thinking that, okay, we could see price come lower, take London low, and move back higher and act as manipulation. But I would have wanted to see this from like 9:30 to 10 o'clock as that little manipulation period. But we got that much later, all the way to like 10:30, price starts to run higher. And really, I wanted to see price move higher just because there's no reason for price to move lower. We had these external range lows, and that's all we have. We have 3 sell-side liquidity targets, and that's it. We have this low, and then that's it. We're pretty much done for our sell-side liquidity, and that's like 500 points from market open. I don't really know where market open was, but I'll say it's right there. 300 points, okay. But still, I don't see price moving down there unless it's very volatile, and we're going to see a big dump maybe on Friday or something. But coming into the day, I was wanting to see price manipulate these equal lows or London low off 9:30, go higher. The one trade I ended up taking, and I completely messed up. I'm not an emotional trader. I don't overtrade. I don't revenge trade. I don't over leverage. But I trade alpha futures, and I moved my account from Project X over to Tradeovate, and I've never used Tradeovate before, and just completely messed up the Tradeovate entry. I got filled here, and because I got filled here, that kind of freaked me out because I was like, dude, that feels too high. I don't want to get stop rated. So I went break even immediately, got break evened, price runs, then I re-enter. Full transparency, I FOMO'd because I was thinking, well, now prices will run because I'm bullish. We put it in a pretty good low. We sweep this minor sell side, and we inverse this 1 minute V-shape. Pretty good trade. Don't deliver from anything, but I like this a lot, and I think if we were bullish, we would have seen price rip higher from this point. So I re-enter, get stopped out, and because I'm on Tradeovate, my stop is larger than I wanted to. I usually risk 200 per trade, but instead I got stopped out for 250, and that really just ruined my day and pretty much made me pretty emotional for the rest of the trading day. And I ended up not taking any more trades because I knew I was emotional. The market's choppy. Market's very low probability conditions. I would have liked to have taken another trade, and I'll explain to you the 2 trades that I liked, the 2 other trades that I liked. But going into the market here after market opened, when we put in this high, I was looking to see this as an intermediate term high, and then price come up, and we respect like a 2022 model. We have this 1 minute. We respect the 1 minute, and we trade lower. That's a confirmation to me we're 100% bearish. Price trades lower, and we also at this time have a bearish SMT with ES. NASDAQ took this high, ES did not. We have an SMT here, and this SMT gets completed by taking this London low. So price trades lower. We're super choppy. I'm not taking a single trade here. You could have took maybe like a short here if you were very confident in short bias, but at this moment in time, I wouldn't have been confident in shorts, and because I didn't really want to see price move lower towards London low. But once we put in all this chop, I was pretty confident in price moving lower. Now we have a bunch of LRLR here and trendline liquidity that I really would have liked to have seen get taken much earlier than it did. But going back to the one trade that I liked, it was a 30-second short. We have price chopping here, and we have price kind of rounding up. You can see price comes up. We're obviously the draw was equal low, right? rounding up, price is rounding up on a 30-second. On a 30-second comp, we sweep this high, fail to take this high, and now we're trading back lower, respecting this 30-second. It's a little 2022 model. Price is making lower highs and trading down. It's at 10:16, a little after macro time, but I would have entered on the first 1 minute displacement candle here. Let's go to the year right here. And this was the pretty good trade. It was more of a conviction based trade. And then the other trade I liked was this 2 minute long. It wasn't an IFVG trade, which I only take IFVGs, but if I have enough conviction, I won't. So we had price come up, we sweep London low. Price comes up, respects the 5 minute, trades lower. We respect the 2 minute, and we have a really, really nice bullish reaction off of this 2 minute after sweeping this low. And how I would look at this, I would look at this to be okay. There's a make believe, right? IFVG here, and this inverses it. It's a really good V shape. We have momentum. You could have waited for the 3 minute even and entered on the 3 minute. This was the one trade I liked, but at the same time, I wasn't really looking for longs. I was thinking price was going to chop after taking London low because we were super high resistance. I was really thinking we'd take London low and just chop for the rest of the day instead of going back up. But we went back up, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that's how I lost $250 trading the NASDAQ today. And hopefully tomorrow I'll learn from my mistakes and try to get Tradeovate working correctly and try to work it out better, because I hate it. If anyone has some tips on how to use Tradeovate and how to enter and without, how to enter while risking what you want to risk, please let me know, because it's a pain. But yeah,